program, you have two different portions of it. You have the heavy equipment side, and you also have a diesel repair side. The heavy equipment side, you learn how to operate skid steers, backhoe. We have a mini excavator, and a tractor and a trailer. In that program, you also learn OSHA standards, and you have these opportunities to get your flagger safety and your OSHA 10. And then the diesel side, you get a little motor and you get to work on that and learn what makes those operate, what allows them to run.
This class gets you ready for the outside world. It gets you prepared to be on a road construction crew, in a stone quarry, and a heavy equipment repair operator diesel mechanic.